Hi friends. Welcome to educatwork. Firstly, I will tell you that, due to some technical problem we can't able to upload video yesterday, so we apologize for that, and try our best to not repeat it. Now, let's begin with video. In this video we learn what is variable, and what's the use of variables in Python programming. Let's start. Variables. Variables are like container, which is used to store values. As we see in our real life, if you go to buy jam you get a jar in which the jam is kept. Here the jar is container as variable, and jam as values. Let's see in program, as you initialize variable, let's say a equals 2, then it will create a space in memory named a, whose value is 2. As you see here, the box shows the memory space named a, and value 2. In programming we use variable to store values, that are used many times inside our program. Let's say you want to add two number. A equals 9. B equals 3. Print a plus b. Here a and b are variable. If you want to do some more operation, then you can easily do using assigned variable like. Now make one more variable that store the result of a and b. Let's say c equals a plus b. And if you want to do any operation in c you can easily do, like print c multiplied by 2. Many more. Let's learn some rules for creating variable. We must follow when naming variables, so the first rule is variable names can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. So we cannot use special characters, like $signs, quotation marks, slashes, dashes or anything like that. Spaces are also not allowed. Variable names can't start with numbers, although numbers are accepted. A variable name can't start with a number, so we can only start variables with letters, and underscores. Variable names are case-sensitive. Python is a case-sensitive language, so if we create a variable called apple, and we try to call it by apple, we have a capital A, Python is not going to find it. And it will result in an error. Last we can't use reserved words. So, we learned there is a function called print, in Python. This means we cannot create a variable called print. Technically, we could create a variable called print with a capital P, as this is not the same thing, but to avoid confusion. Try not to do that. Here is a list of a few more reserved words. If you want to know more, just type Python reserved words on Google. Let's see the example of case sensitive. Creating a variable named apple with value 12, and apple capital A as 18. Now print the apple capital A, it will show 18. And print apple, it will show 12. They both are two different variable. Now see the example of reserved keyword. Making new file. And write if equals 5. And print if. Now save file. And then run it. It will show error, invalid syntax. Now change if to if capital I, and print if and run. Now this time you can't get error. Another important remark I want to make is that, the values of variables are dynamic, they can be changed. For example, as we assign a value to variable named a, is 9. Now, assign 12, to the same variable on next line. A equals 12. Now run program. This time it will print 15. As you see, you can change variable's value at any time. That's all for the variable. Now here's the question for all. From above written name, find the correct variable name and tell your answer in comment box. So friends, if you enjoy this video, please like and share as much as you can, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.